Al Grifka, CNC manager for Conley Manufacturing, has been machining tool and die components using RhinoCAM for the past 5 years. We recently sat down with Al to discuss his use of RhinoCAM CNC software from MecSoft Corporation.
My favorite thing about it, high-speed pocketing. I love that cutter path. You can do a nice step over, and I mean, I set the controller on our Haas to rough so that it doesn't run point to point.
Right.
And you can remove a lot of material really quick. And for the most part, it's user friendly. The cutter paths are easy. When I decided to open this shop, I knew that this was the software I was going to go with, and my partner, like I say, he doesn't know much about the CNCing or the programming, and he was like, "Oh, what about MasterCam? What about MasterCam?" And I'm like, "For what we're going to be doing, I said, this software is more than enough. We can design with it. We can anything we need to do that we're going to be doing here, we can do it with RhinoCAM. There's no reason to spend the money on a MasterCam program or like WorkNX or anything like that."
Mm-hmm.